Hello, my name is Zeb Hollins III. I'm an arts coach with Kid Smart, and welcome to my Art Jam activity. My Art Jam activity is entitled My Plant Photo Diary. My Plant Photo Diary. The participants, you all, will be able to observe and photograph the life cycle of a plant. Participants will utilize Tableau to enact and then photograph themselves during various stages of the plant's life. Some of the materials you will need are seeds, tomato seeds, beans or seeds. You might have some dried beans around the house. I use those often to plant in my garden, or other seeds you might purchase at a hardware store. You will need a copy of a plant life cycle diagram, a camera, and an assistant. Plant life cycle. In this is a diagram of a seed, of a bean itself I'm using as a seed. So there are four major parts. You have the seed, the seedling, young plant, and the adult plant. As I said, this diagram is really suitable, applicable for a dry bean you might have around the house, or a tomato seed, where you can get the actual seed out of the tomato itself, allow it to dry, and then you can utilize those seeds. The young plant, mature plant, flower, and fruit. Tableau. That's the drama strategy we will utilize in order to enact different parts of your plant's life cycle. What is Tableau? A frozen picture or image, quite simply. There are four major parts of a tableau. There are facial expressions, body language, levels, emotions, and feelings. Facial expressions, body language, levels, high, medium, low, emotions, and feelings. So, with the plant's life cycle, you have the seed, seedling, young plant, and adult plant. Here's our step-by-step instructions. If you're utilizing a dry bean, for example, photograph that bean or seed, then plant it in the ground. Then photograph yourself as the seed before planting. In about 6 to 9 days, you'll notice a seedling, the second stage of the plant's life cycle. Photograph the seedling and then photograph yourself as the seedling. What's different? What's happening to the seed? Next, in about, I'll say, 10 or 12 days after that, you now have a young plant. Photograph the young plant and then photograph yourself as the young plant. What's different about the young plant than the seedling? And finally, the adult plant. Photograph the adult plant, which should have flowers on it or maybe even fruit or small beans that are beginning to show up. You're going to place these images side by side in a photo diary. The diary may be digital or printed and made into a hard copy. Here's an example of a digital My Plant photo diary. You can see the various stages of the plant's life cycle from the seed, seedling, young plant, and adult plant. Plant life cycle photo diary, art jam. Have fun creating your very own plant photo diary. Thank you.